Emergencies strike without warning. One moment you're safe, the next you're fighting for your life. It's not just the wild. Danger can find you at home, on the road, or at work. Being unprepared is the biggest risk of all. Today, I'll show you the 10 essential life-saving toolkits and safety items you must have. These aren't fancy gadgets, they're fundamental tools for survival. The final item on this list is statistically proven to save more lives than any other. Let's get started. This knowledge could one day save your life. Before you even think about gear or supplies, remember, your mind is your most powerful survival tool. It's your ability to stay calm, think clearly, and act decisively that can make all the difference in an emergency. Knowledge, combined with a well-rehearsed emergency plan, forms your first and strongest line of defense. It's not just about what you have, but what you know and how you use it under pressure. Ask yourself, does every member of your family know exactly where to meet if you're separated? Have you talked through different scenarios like fires, earthquakes, or storms? Do you have key emergency numbers memorized, or at least written down somewhere everyone can find them? In a crisis, your phone might not be available, so having this info is crucial. Practice your plan regularly. Run fire drills, walk through your home's exits, and make sure everyone, even the youngest, knows how to get out safely, even if it's dark or smoky. Take time to learn basic first aid and CPR. These aren't just skills for adults. Older kids can learn too, and it could make all the difference. When seconds count, these skills turn you into a first responder, able to help your loved ones or neighbors before professional help arrives. In those first critical moments, you are the help. Your actions can stabilize a situation and save lives until emergency services get there. So, make your plan, learn the skills, and practice them until they're second nature. Repetition builds confidence and muscle memory. Remember, tools and gear can save lives, but a trained, prepared mind saves even more. Don't put it off. Prepare today, not tomorrow. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more essential survival knowledge. Spread the word. Preparedness is for everyone. Our mission is to empower you and those you care about to be ready for anything. Don't wait for disaster to strike. Start building your knowledge and plan now. Remember, this video could save a life, maybe even your own or someone you love. Picture this. You're driving along, and suddenly, disaster strikes. In a split second, you're in a car crash. The seatbelt locks up, the doors won't budge, and panic starts to set in. Every second counts, and your ability to act quickly could mean the difference between escape and tragedy. That's when a seatbelt cutter and window breaker becomes your lifeline. A compact, powerful tool designed for moments just like this. This small device slices through jammed seatbelts in seconds, freeing you from restraints that could otherwise trap you inside. Its steel tip shatters car windows with a single forceful motion, letting you break free even if the doors are stuck or submerged. Keep it within arm's reach. Attach it to your keychain, so it's always accessible in an emergency, or mount it on your sun visor, or store it in your center console for quick access. Don't stash it in the glove box. In a real emergency, you won't have time to fumble around searching for it. Get one for every vehicle you own, cars, trucks, even RVs, so you're never caught unprepared. And make sure every driver in your family has one, especially new drivers or those who travel often. It's a simple, affordable tool, often costing less than a meal out, that can save your life or the life of someone you love. Don't overlook it, make it part of your everyday carry, just like your phone, wallet, or keys. Emergencies don't wait, and neither should you. Seconds matter when your safety is on the line. This tool is your escape route when every moment is critical. Don't leave your safety to chance. Be ready to act, not panic. Practice using the tool, so you're confident if the unthinkable happens. It's a small investment for ultimate peace of mind, because being prepared is the best way to protect yourself and those you care about. In a fire, smoke is the real killer. Blinding, toxic, and fast. Most fire-related deaths are caused not by flames, but by inhaling dangerous smoke and gases that fill your home in seconds. When a fire breaks out, visibility drops instantly, and the air becomes unbreathable. A smoke mask, or fire escape hood, filters deadly gases, giving you precious minutes to escape. These devices are designed to protect your lungs and eyes from toxic fumes, including carbon monoxide and hydrogen cyanide, which are common in house fires. N95 masks help, but dedicated fire hoods offer real protection, sealing around your neck and filtering out carbon monoxide. Unlike regular masks, fire escape hoods are made to withstand high heat and provide a tight seal, keeping out the most dangerous particles and gases. Store them by your bed for instant access. Fires often start at night, so having a mask within arm's reach can make all the difference when seconds count. Have one for every family member and practice putting them on. Make sure even young children know how to use them so no one is left behind in an emergency. In a real fire, muscle memory saves lives. Practicing regularly ensures you can put on your mask quickly, even when you're scared or half asleep. Those extra minutes can mean the difference between escape and tragedy. A few moments of protection can get you and your loved one safely outside before smoke overwhelms you. Don't gamble with your safety, prepare now. Add a fire escape hood to your emergency kit and make it part of your family's fire plan. Make sure your family knows where to find and how to use them. Talk about your escape plan and review it together so everyone is confident. In a crisis, every breath counts. Clean air can be the difference between life and death, especially when the clock is ticking. Be ready to act fast. Preparation and practice are your best defense against the dangers of smoke in a fire. Emergencies create a gap before help arrives. Your first aid kit bridges that gap. It's more than bandages, it's your frontline medical station. Stock it with gloves, bandages, antiseptics, scissors, and pain relievers, customized for your family's needs. Include medications, allergy treatments, and children's supplies. Learn how to use everything inside. Take a basic first aid course. Regularly check and restock your kit. A well-prepared kit and a little knowledge can save a life. Keep one at home, in your car, and at work. Don't wait for an emergency to realize what you're missing. Take responsibility for your safety and those around you. The emergency blanket, lightweight, compact, and life-saving. It prevents hypothermia and shock by reflecting body heat. Use it after injuries, in cold weather, or as a makeshift shelter. It's standard for paramedics and should be in every car, home, and backpack. Also great for signaling rescuers with its reflective surface. Inexpensive and space-saving, there's no excuse not to have one. Keep several in your kits. For its size, nothing offers more protection. It's a must-have for any emergency. Emergencies turn the world into a series of obstacles. A compact toolkit, multi-tool, pliers, screwdrivers, and a sturdy knife gives you the power to fix, open, or escape. A quality multi-tool is your problem solver for countless situations. Keep your kit in your car and at home for quick access. It's not about brute force but having the right tool at the right time. A good blade, pliers, and screwdrivers can make all the difference. Be ready to act, not improvise. This kit helps you control your environment when it matters most. Solve small problems before they become big ones. Empower yourself with the right tools. Your phone is your lifeline, maps, news, emergency calls, but it's useless with a dead battery. A high-capacity power bank is essential for every emergency kit. Look for at least 10,000 mAh or made with fast charging and multiple ports. Solar panels are a bonus for long outages. Keep it charged and ready to grab at a moment's notice. Don't let your power bank become a dead weight. It keeps you connected to information and help. Make it part of your routine. Stay powered, stay safe. Most fires start small. Your chance to stop disaster is in those first moments. A compact ABC fire extinguisher handles the most common fires: kitchen, electrical, and more. Keep one in the kitchen, garage, and car. Know how to use it. Pull, aim, squeeze, sweep, pass. Check the pressure gauge monthly. Don't just own it, practice using it in your mind. This red canister is your first line of defense. Be proactive, not just reactive. Stop a small problem before it becomes a catastrophe. Your safety is in your hands. Your voice can't always call for help, but a whistle or personal alarm can. A loud, pealess whistle signals distress with minimal effort. 3 blasts means help needed. Personal alarms emit a piercing siren, deterring attackers and drawing attention. Attach them to keys, backpacks, or jackets for instant access. Essential for kids, hikers, travelers, and anyone alone. Don't rely on your phone. Get a dedicated device. Test it so you know it works. It's your shout for help when you have no voice left. Small, simple, and potentially life-saving. Darkness makes every emergency worse. Don't let it blind you. A high-lumen, durable flashlight is essential. Look for at least 500 lumens, multiple modes, and USB rechargeability. Strobe mode can signal for help or disorient threats. Keep one in your car, bedside, and emergency kit. Water-resistant and drop-proof models are best. Use your power bank to keep it charged. A flashlight gives you control, safety, and confidence in the dark. Don't settle for cheap. Invest in quality. Light is power in a crisis. These 10 essentials turn chaos into control. They empower you to protect yourself and others. Preparedness isn't fear. It's taking charge of your safety. Build your kits, make your plan, and learn the skills. Your future self will thank you. Stay aware, stay ready, and remember. Safety first always. Thanks for joining this mission. Subscribe our Safe Zone Media channel for more, and now go take action.